Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel again. So today, as I said, I've got my DJI Avata sent from Amazon, you can see the sign, and I will gonna try to unbox this my new drone. So let's have a look what's inside the box. So we got it. Oh, it's quite heavy. Alright, that's it. As you see, sorry. This is the DJI box. So I got goggles. Them goggles are DJI Integra. What it says? Well, it's an Explorer combo bundle Explorer. So let's have a look what's inside this box now. Try to be careful so I don't damage the box. I really keep them for the future. You never know when I might need to sell them boxes. So let's have a look. I'll try to cut it very careful. That's it. Now this one is done. I literally can remove this wrap. Okay. There we go. Here goes the box. Chuck in the box. Check this one is rubbish. So now it's time to have a look what's inside. So you can see everything here. Can you see clearly? Let's have a look what's inside. What do you think? It's really small. I thought it's bigger. Well, let's have a look. Maybe the drone is missing from here. So I'll go with this one like that. And again, I got two boxes here. Here you go. That's the drone. Can you see it? Oh, that's the drone. Drone itself. And what's here? Well, looks like here are goggles and the motion controller. You can see here. So I've got them two now. To unbox. So let's have a look. Let's have a look in this. Let's have a look which one. Oh, right. It says open here. Alright, remove this one. In the bin. And wow. Can you see that? Really looks good. Oh, right. What's that? I have no idea what this is. So that's the drone itself. Let's put this one on the side. And let's have a look. Let's have a look at this drone. A bit closer. Oops. There you go. It's, well, it's really tiny. The quality looks like not bad. Well, good. It does have two batteries, so I can fly maybe for 5 minutes. So we're gonna put this one on the side. There you go. And I got here, I don't know what this is up there. I have no idea what this is. Let's have a look. I really hate this wraps. It makes very hard. DJI. It's kind of USB. Right, it's like an adapter. So yeah, it's a DJI Avata adapter. There you go. Put this one on the side. And I go here and pair, how we call them? Well, I'll call them blades. And then I got cable. Oh, it's USB cable. Right, let's put them back there. Don't need them. Even this, you don't need them. Let's have a look at this one now. Same again, it says open. Opening it, and let's have a look what's inside. Oh man, I'm really excited. Oh shit. Sorry for my lungs. Ooh. So here you go, the goggles, and I think it says accessories here. It's very hard to take it off. Alright. Accessories. Alright, that's for me. It's my because I wear glasses. And they do have -2, yeah? That's something what I need, -2, sadly. So we're gonna, this definitely I'll need it. Them ones, no idea what it is. I probably have to sort it out. This one, same again, I don't know what it is, like a strap. Don't know, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Silica, don't need that. DJI Integra motion controller. Right, don't need that. And here you go, that's it. How do you call it? This is OC controller, isn't it? Or motion controller, you're right. And let's have a look at this. Let's unwrap it. I'll need this one, definitely. Here you go. You see? Lock. It's like I'm gonna play games with this. It's like a gun. Kill with. Alright, so this one I'm gonna need it. So we're gonna put this one on the side. Go here. Alright, go here. Cable. That's the one I was looking for. I was trying to make my FPV manual controller work with my MacBook. I didn't work. I even have purchased this one. It's cable A to cable C. I still didn't manage to get it work. I'm really upset about that. Spent extra money. So that's the one everyone was saying. This one looks the same to me. Alright, I'll try this. Check the bin. This one probably I'll have to put here. Well, later. So, alright, I'm done here. Let's put everything else here, what I don't need. And let's have a look. Goggles. How is it meant to work? Here you go, the goggles. I think that's a battery, if I'm not wrong. And you got micro SD as well. Alright. Remove before use. Okay, cool, I'll know that. So I've got all these boxes, which I'll have to put back. This one will go in the bin. I'm gonna put on the side. Them boxes, I will definitely keep them. This I'll keep it. Oh, here you go. More manuals here. More manuals. Maybe some money here? No. I was wondering, maybe they send me some money. Not cheap kit. Definitely not a cheap drone. Looks, I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the camera. Can you see it? Very funny. And now I need to think how to put this one back. I think it was like that. I think. There you go. Yeah, got it. I want to have a look at these goggles. So let's strap here. I've heard them goggles are no good, so I have no idea if they're good or no. I'm getting into FPV, so I really hope to learn how to fly FPV. Keep this, alright, keep the lenses away from direct sunlight, alright, cool. that in a bin. That goes in the bin. We've got 2 batteries, I think. Okay, so back and like this, I guess. They're really small, and I think them. Let's have a look. I want to try them. Hmm. And how do you switch off? Now I'm struggling to switch it on. Usually it's twice. You press it twice. The quality looks not bad. Come on. There you go. I've just managed to switch it on. Gosh. I definitely need to put them ones on. I think them ones. So my visual is really bad. Okay, cool. I think them ones are alright. Checking them in. And let's have a look. Which is -2? I think them or 2 are -2. And how do they go? A, B, C. Okay. So I'm trying to figure out how to put them on this on this. Or this on this. I have no idea now. I think they go. It's A, C, B, but no idea what's A, what's C. But maybe like this. Alright, I think I got it. So this is A, like that. I think they had somewhere. They had this. Okay, this one. Try to be a bit more careful with them lenses. Chuck in the bin. No. I don't think you're right, I don't know. Yeah? Yeah, they're all good. Okay. So now, this is right. Now I need to figure out how to put it now here. Okay. Alright lads, I think I'm struggling to take... There's no way to take them. Let's cut how again. So then one will go like this. Yeah, that's it. Kind of funny because I took them off. Alright. Okay. Sync is -2 again. And, oh God. And yeah. Let's have a look again. A. That's alright. A. You can see my fingerprints on this lens now. Do these fish off? God. Struggling. So I think it will go like this. Yeah. Yeah, let's have a look. Alright, now I'm gonna try them. There you go. Let's have a look. -12, not for me. Why is that? I think I've put them wrong. I don't know. Maybe -3. No, I'm really upset about that. Alright guys, I'm gonna make another video about my experience with DJI Avatar. But thanks for watching, and if you do enjoy my channel, you're still new, feel free to subscribe, and for any comments just reply below and I'll answer them to you.